The Jones Act really works to protect injured workers who get hurt working on boats or rigs or on the water in a couple of ways. There's some safety rules within the Jones Act and within the cases interpreting the Jones Act. One of them is that your company has to give you what they call a safe place to work. That's a very broad term, and it's very, very helpful if you get hurt at work. Another thing is that the company has to train all your coworkers. They have to provide you with an adequate crew and proper training with that crew. That can be critical. Time and time again, we hear our clients say that they got hurt because somebody out on the boat or the rig or the drill ship or the barge, wherever they were, somebody didn't do something right or they weren't trained right. Well, that's important, and it can help win your Jones Act case. Another thing under the Jones Act is that it kind of picks up Coast Guard regulations. You guys are working on vessels, and the Coast Guard has what are called CFRs, Code of Federal Regulations. And that's just a fancy word for a whole lot of laws that are on the books that we deal with day in and day out that make your company do certain things to protect you. And when you go through all those laws, the CFRs or Code of Federal Regulations, usually you find a lot of violations that may have contributed to your accident, or some violations maybe that would have prevented your accident from even happening. Understand that the Jones Act is really meant to put some safety regulations and safety rules in place to protect you as a maritime worker. The Jones Act and maritime laws can be very complicated and confusing. It's a hard time for you and your family. We've been successfully getting life-changing verdicts and results for our clients for more than 30 years. Call us now so that we can start talking about how we can help you and your family after your injury.